Today's offer looked decent at first glance, $38.02. Then I noticed it required 64.3 miles one way. That's 128.6 miles round trip. After gas, vehicle maintenance, depreciation, and your time, would this order actually be worth it? Well, let's talk about it. And in case you don't know who I am, my name is T. I have been a full-time, full-service Instacart shopper for over 8 years, and I've done well over 10,000 batches. So if you want to know all things Instacart, this is where you ought to be. Now, welcome to a brand new series called Instacart's Worst Order of the Day. And today's winner or loser paid $38.02. Sounds pretty good, right? Until you look at the mileage. 64.3 miles one way. That means you're looking at roughly 128.6 miles round trip. Now, let's think about this for a second. By the time you pay for gas, put wear and tear on your vehicle, and spend all that time driving, what are you really making? Depending on your vehicle, it could easily burn $15 to $20 in gasoline alone. Then you've got tires, oil changes, depreciation, maintenance, and let's not forget about your time. You could spend close to 2 hours or more on one order depending on traffic and shopping time. So here's my question. Would you take this order? Maybe. Maybe you would, maybe you wouldn't. But for me, absolutely not. Now, this is exactly why you have to look beyond the payout. The number on the screen doesn't always tell the full story. So what do you think? Would you accept this order or hit that decline button? Tell me in the comments. And if you're enjoying seeing ridiculous Instacart offers like this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to This, That, and Those Carrots. And until next time, happy shopping!